There are two methods for updating the SeatLink app. This video is a step-by-step tutorial on the first method, via the Google Play Store. This method requires a Google account and a Wi-Fi connection. Step 1. On the SeatLink app, enter admin mode by tapping on the screen outside of the bus layout 7 times. The password window will appear. Enter the password. You'll notice the screen title at the top now reads SeatLink Admin. Step 2. Confirm your Wi-Fi connection by swiping down from the top of the screen to show the Quick Settings menu. Tap on the Wi-Fi icon at the top to pull up the Wi-Fi settings. Tap on Use Wi-Fi, select your desired Wi-Fi and log in. Step 3. Swipe down from the top of the screen again to show the Quick Settings menu. Tap on the SeatLink notification to open app information. Tap Advanced to show more details. Tap Home App and then select Quick Step to access the default home screen. Step 4. Tap on the Google Play Store app, then tap on the Sign In button. Log into your Google account with your email and password. If applicable, accept any Google services pop-ups. Step 5. Once the Play Store opens up, under the Apps category, search for SeatLink from Enter Motive. Select the app, then tap the Update button. Once the update has installed, select Open to return to the SeatLink app. For more information, contact your Friedman representative. Thanks for watching.